Welcome to Cellular Science for Everyone. My name is Roger, I'm a scientist living in Montreal, and at least once a week we try to talk about science that may interest you. Welcome back to Cellular Science for Everyone. Today we're going to talk again about the microbiome. The word microbiome is all around in the news, in podcasts, and even you can hear it on the gym locker. We normally hear the word microbiome associated to the human health. For example, the gut microbiome is highly cited on the news when reporting about intestinal inflammatory diseases. However, the word microbiome is not limited to the human health. It's in fact the community of microorganisms that can be found in a particular environment, place, situation, etc. There are as many microbiomes as possible environments you can imagine. There is the specific microbiome of your desk, of the bottle that you use to drink water at work, of the sponge that you use to clean the dishes. I think that you get it. There are as many as you can imagine. But then the question is, how do scientists do to identify the microorganisms that live in a specific place? For example, on this microphone. So they take a sample of the surface of this microphone, and then what? Do microorganisms, do bacteria have a small license plate that we check under the microscope and we can know what they are? No, in fact, it's not like that. What scientists do is they analyze the genetic information, the DNA, the instructions inside each organism. And instead of reading all the genetic information that the microorganism contains, what they do is analyze small regions because they save time and money. Some of these regions are what's called the 16S rDNA. They use these sequences because they are found on all the bacteria, but they are different enough that just reading this small piece of information, we can know which species of bacteria are we talking about. So it could be a little bit as an identity card or the license plate of the bacteria, despite I said that they don't have license plates. Then, one of the things that fascinates me the most about the microbiomes is that there are studies that they try to identify the bacteria that grow in really weird situations. For example, in the Nespresso machine that you can have at your place, or in the gas tank of your car, and even in the gum that you chew and then you discard onto the rubbish bin. Do you want to know more about what they found as scientists on the microbiome, for example, on the gum that you chew? Just check and pay attention to the next videos that we're going to be posting in the incoming week. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you give us a thumbs up, it would be amazing. And if you like our content, please subscribe. See you next time.